Glutathione is an antioxidant that aids in cellular repair, muscle healing, and utilized as a pain reliever in cancer patients. Because it is an antioxidant, it can now lower the melanin levels which determine the color of the skin. So use of glutathione either topically or by injections has become very popular. While glutathione is beneficial for a variety of reasons, there isn't solid proof or scientific research to establish whether glutathione aids with permanent skin whitening or not. With many young ladies interested in having a lighter complexion in appearance-conscious society, we need to be aware that there are serious side effects of glutathione. Its overdose may also result in severe rashes, itchy skin, chills, and even skin tumor. In a recent web series named Made in Heaven 2, a would-be bride got rashes and blisters as she went through a whitening treatment with the help of glutathione injections. In such a situation, it is important to know that there are professionals that deal with such chemicals and their dose should also be monitored. We should always avoid getting skin lightening treatments from self-proclaimed beauticians and parlors. Looking at the manifestation of excessive glutathione in the bodies, experts recommend the proper assistance of a certified physician. Taking this antioxidant just for a lighter skin tone is not recommended. Well, there are several other ways by which a brighter and eventually fairer looking skin can be achieved. Applying herbal face masks with natural skin ingredients or eating foods that are rich in antioxidants can help a lot. Hope you liked this video. For more health related content, subscribe to TheHealthSite.com.